Today, we're talking about a huge shift that's happening in AI. We're moving way beyond the simple chatbots that we've all gotten used to. We're entering a world where AI becomes a real teammate, one that actually gets work done for you. Let's dive in.
It all starts with this feeling, right? This fantasy of just typing a simple command like, please make this week less stupid, and watching all the chaos of your work life magically sort itself out. It's a feeling I think we all know way too well. I just love this analogy from our source material because it's so painfully accurate. My inbox is a raccoon den with labels. I mean, that perfectly captures the problem, doesn't it? Our digital lives just feel like a disorganized mess. But what if the solution wasn't just another app, but a completely new kind of technology? And that brings us to this first major turning point, the rise of what are called AI agents. And look, this isn't some minor upgrade. This is a fundamental change in what AI is even capable of.
Think about it. Tools like ChatGPT got everyone super excited because they could generate text and come up with ideas. But that was really just the beginning. The next wave of AI is all about taking action, not just having a conversation. So here's the crucial difference. An AI agent isn't just a passive tool sitting there waiting for your command. No, it's an active system. It can analyze a problem, come up with a plan, and then actually execute that plan across different applications all on its own. This really lays out the evolution perfectly. We're going from traditional AI, which is kind of like a smart encyclopedia, over to this new agentic AI, which is more like a truly capable assistant. It's an assistant that doesn't just tell you how to do something, it actually does it for you. So, what does this actually look like in practice? Well, it means you can now build a whole team of specialized AI assistants to handle all the different parts of your job. Let's meet some of the players.
You should really think of it like hiring a team. You've got your all-rounder, your generalist, like ChatGPT. But then you start bringing in the specialists. You've got Motion for managing projects, Reclaim to defend your calendar from too many meetings, and Claude for some heavy-duty coding. You're hiring the right tool for the right job.
And this is not some far-off future stuff. This is happening right now. A staggering 84% of developers are already using or planning to use AI tools in their work. The adoption is massive, and it is accelerating like crazy.
This chart really puts the speed of this change into perspective. Just look at the adoption for Claude Code. Only 9 months ago, just 4% of developers were using it. Today, that number is 63%. That's explosive growth. It's proof that these action-oriented agentic tools are what people really need.
So, you could assemble your own AI dream team. You might use Perplexity for research, Motion to manage your projects, and Granola to transcribe all your meetings. Each one is a specialist, but that raises a brand new and very important question.
With all these powerful new teammates on your side, a new problem starts to emerge. You've basically assembled an orchestra full of virtuosos, but who's conducting them? And this is the core of the problem. You've got an AI for email, one for meetings, and one for your code. So now what? How do you get them all to work together? Because if your scheduling AI doesn't talk to your project management AI, you haven't really solved the chaos. You've just created a newer, more advanced version of it.
And businesses are really feeling this pain. 78% of enterprises say they are struggling to integrate all of their different AI tools. You see, having powerful tools isn't enough if they can't communicate with each other. This captures the conductor's challenge perfectly. Each one of your AI assistants might be brilliant on its own, but without coordination, you just have a bunch of star players running in different directions. You have a team, sure, but you don't have teamwork.
And that leads us to the final, and I think most important evolution in this whole story. The solution isn't just about getting better players, it's about getting a better system to make them all play together. The key concept here is something called AI orchestration. It's basically the art of making all your specialized AI agents, all your apps, and all your data work together as one single cohesive system. Let's see what that looks like in action. Here is a perfect example. Okay, step 1. A new lead submits a form on your website. Instantly, step 2, an AI agent qualifies that lead using criteria you've set. Step 3, the agent then drafts a personalized follow-up email. And finally, step 4, it schedules that qualified lead right onto your calendar. All of that happens with zero human intervention. Each step might use a different app, but orchestration makes it one seamless process. Now, platforms like Zapier agents are designed specifically to be this orchestration layer.
They're built to be the conductor. They connect thousands of different apps, allowing you to build these kinds of autonomous, intelligent workflows where all your AI teammates are truly working together.
And this really brings us to the core takeaway. The power isn't in any single AI tool, no matter how amazing it is. The real transformation, the real magic, that happens when you create a system that connects all of them together.
And this changes everything about how we work. Your job is no longer to be the one manually checking the inbox, updating the spreadsheet, and scheduling the meeting. Your new job is to be the designer, the builder, the manager of the automated systems that do all of that for you.
So, we'll end with this question. As these systems become more and more common, is your next job title going to be AI orchestrator? It's a fascinating thought because it suggests the most valuable skill in the future won't be doing the work, but designing the work.